Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a video about quizzes revision 1. I know that some people are now confused with the word quizzes, right? To make clear about it, I think I should tell about my story. Making quizzes is a daily personal project of mine. At first, I just want to make quizzes for myself to review new words. Then it comes to my mind that sharing is learning, and I've posted it on Instagram due to its convenience over Facebook. You can see my account's name on the screen. I've made quizzes for almost a month. I am supposed to post this video on YouTube on the 24th or 25th day of quizzes. All questions are based on the book Check Your English Vocabulary for IELTS Test. Wow, you don't know that. Wow, it's an amazing book. And if you want me to review about this book, let me know. At the beginning of this video, I'd like to give my appreciation to all of your participation in doing my quizzes. You've done a great work and keep going on. Now, I will go ahead to our revision. The topic that I choose today is objects and actions because I receive a lot of questions about how to remember words included in this topic and then how to distinguish among them. I create a poll for you to choose how I should do to remember these words. Do you remember? And this video is for you. Well, in this video, I use Cambridge Dictionary for definitions of words. With the aim to compare and easily remember, I put the words into small groups. Now, let's begin with the first group, circle. We have 4 words in this group: rotate, revolve, slide, and spin. Rotate, as a verb, is turn or cause something to turn in a circle, especially around a fixed point. This verb is used to describe the Earth moving around its axis. But you know that our planet have another movement, right? And we comes to the next word, revolve. Revolve as a verb is move or cause something to move around a center point or line. This verb is used to describe the Earth moving around the sun. I think all you guys are clear about these words. And next, slide. As you see, slide as a noun is what I'm using, like visual aids. But slide as a verb is to move easily and without interruption over a surface. This word is used to describe the CD-ROM tray on a computer-based unit. The last one of this group is spin. If your family has a washing machine, you may know about this word clearly, right? Well, spin is to cause to turn around and around, especially in a fast speed. We will move to the next group. Keywords of it is river or liquid. As a verb is to follow slowly and without force in a thin line. And flow is to move in one direction, especially continuously and easily. The last word of this group is meander. It means to follow a route that is not straight or direct. In my quiz, the K used to describe Minder is that a wide river winds through the countryside. Well, I hope that you are all clear about these three words. However, trickle as a verb has another meaning. Here's an example. Orders for new product arriving at the company very slowly. In this case, we also use the word trickle to describe. Why? Because trickle as a verb is also to happen gradually and in small numbers. I hope this image will help you to remember it. Come on with the next group that is related to forms of objects. Evaporate and congeal. Evaporate is to cause a liquid to change to a gas, especially by heating. Imagine that you are heating water. Water evaporates. Is this easy to remember? Next, we have the word congeal. Congeal is to change from a liquid or soft state to a thick or solid state. To remember this word, I will use a special dish of the northern area of Vietnam, thịt đông. Totally clear? And another word I want to share with you in this group is freeze. Generally, when we freeze something, it will change from liquid to solid. So what's the difference between congeal and freeze? Well, it's the temperature. If you want to freeze something, you have to lower its temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, causing it to become cold and often hard. Ice is exemplified for this. The next group of this video is related to water, sink, float, and subside. Sink is to go down below the surface or to the bottom of a liquid or soft substance. This is an image from the famous Korean film, The Legend of the Blue Sea. As you can see, actor Lee Min-ho is sinking. And float is an antonym of sink. Float as a verb is to stay on the surface of a liquid and not sink. As you know, when we use a swimming float or swimming boat, we will float. And what about subside? Subside is to go down to a lower level, and it is used for building area of land or level of water. Here is an example. Due to the drought, the level of water in Lake A subsides. The next group is destroy, smolder, spill, and erode. Smolder as a verb is to burn slowly with smoke, but without flames. Flames like fire. I think this image makes you clear about this word, right? Next, spill. Spill is to move, flow, fall, or spread over the edge or outside the limits of something. Here is an example. The coffee suddenly fell out of a cup by my mistake. The last one, erode. Erode is to rub or be rubbed away gradually. Well, it means that destroy or be destroyed piece by piece or step by step. This image, as you see, is kind of beautiful, but it reflects that the cliffs are eroded by the sea every day in the real life. The next word is related to unstable, vibrate, and wobble. When you learn to pronounce the p and b sound in English, you may come across the word vibrate. Vibrate is to shake slightly and quickly, or to cause something to do this in a way that is felt rather than seen or heard. Wobble as a verb is to shake or move from side to side in a way that shows poor balance. An example for it is Sleepy, created by Russian. Next word is about size. Stretch, expand, and contract. Stretch as a verb is to become longer or wider than usual as a result of pulling at the edge. During quarantine time, many people level up themselves by working out, and when you're doing exercise, you have to stretch. The next word is expand. Expand is to increase in size, number, or importance, or to make something increase in this way. I think this word is so familiar with you, so we come to the next word, contract. When it comes to this word, I always think of it as a noun, like an agreement. But in this case, contract as a verb is to make or become shorter or narrower, or generally smaller in size. It means that contract is an antonym of expand. Wow, the last group of today's color, change and fade. Change is to make or become different. Here's an example. Traffic lights change from red to green. And fade. Fade is to lose color, brightness, or strength gradually. A t-shirt of mine was washed so often and it has lost its color. Wow, we've been through all words in this topic, object and actions. Hope all of you clear and understand all the words. And please leave comments if having any questions or anything that you want to share with me. And don't forget to like my video. Have a nice day and remember to do the quizzes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.